What's up YouTube? Basic Kev here again with another video. Today I come to you with new shipments I just got in today. It is from the Spring Summer Week 9 drop. Happened on April 23rd, 2020. And today is May 5th, 2020. Cinco de Mayo. Today's Tuesday. Just got my shipments in, so let me show y'all what you got. Here's the first box. So week 9 was the MLB New Era drop with also the varsity jacket and also the My Bloody Valentine collaboration. Came out with like t-shirts and some other items. I missed out on that collaboration, but I did get a piece from the MLB. Let me just open up the package. Check it out. First off with stickers. Box logo sticker. One My Bloody Valentine, two My Bloody Valentine stickers. Comes with My Bloody Valentine in the back. Nice. Right here is what I really wanted. Supreme Heller mug set in red. Love the box. Pretty sick. Heller mug set of 2, red, one size. Comes in a red cardboard box, a sup on one side and ream on the other. Top of it has Heller and also the tag. And on this side it has Max Mug, 2 stacking mugs, designed by Massimo Finelli. I probably just butchered that. Heller Inc., New York, New York, 12021. I'm opening them up. These came in a set of red and clear mugs. Let's check it out. There you go. Wow. Here's one. Nice size. Looks like this when you open it. One. And the 2. Pretty cool mugs. Plastic mugs. Feels pretty nice. Pretty big. Comes with this little divider. Sick. Alright, so I got another shipment in from Supreme from this drop. And actually my homie from Virginia helped me secure this box here. Thank you, you know who you are. Big shout outs to you, man. Thank you so much. Got the box right here. Check out what's inside. Alright, start off with 2 stickers. Red box logo stickers. And bam! Another set of mugs. Yes, sir. Another set of Heller mugs here. This time, can you guess what's inside? Let's check it out. Ba-bam! This time we got the clear Heller mugs. So I got another pair. Got the red ones as you saw, and now I got the clear pair. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Comes with 2, of course, as you saw. Exact same packaging like the red pair. I'll do some close-ups of these as well. Shits and giggles, another box. Right here. Paper here. 2 Supreme stickers. And ta-da! Another set of Heller mugs. This one is in red. Let's open it, just inspect. Sure is. Red pair. This is box number 3. Shout outs to you again, my homie from Virginia. Thank you so much for running slots for me. If you know what it is, you know what it is, though. Appreciate you. Start off with the red pairs. The red mugs. You can see the bottom of it. Made in USA, Heller Max mug. Designed by Massimo. Yep. Here's the handle part. It's all plastic. It's pretty thick plastic, as you can see here. Nothing in the inside. And here is the graphic. 1 and a 2. And on the bottom of the cups, you can see it has like a little part where you can stack them. Pretty secret. And here we have 1 and a 2. The clear pair. Very nice, very nice. Stackable as well. Side by side. Let's see. Red and the clear. Yep. Pretty cool. They all are stacked. Here are all my mugs. 8 total. 4 boxes. Let me know which one's y'all's favorite. Clear or red? I actually prefer the clear one. It's pretty cool. The red ones are always classic, you know. Sick. Pretty cool. There's the mug up close. Clear mug. 16 ounces. I'm just kidding. High quality A2L. For shits and giggles. Stackable. Whoop. So another card I got from this week was the MLB hat. This is a navy. This is in the MLB New Era hat, 7 3/8. Comes with box logo in front, white text, navy all over, and also has the logos of all the MLB baseball teams embroidered on the hat, which is a really, really sick touch. The sticker comes on the bottom here because on the bill, you see it has all the different logos. Most important one is on the back. Orange star with the white H. Houston Astros. Let's get it. That's my hometown. Astros always down for the Astros. Let's get it. Sick hat. Might keep it. I don't know. See, it's going for pretty high on the resale. Also got some stickers. 2 more stickers. My Bloody Valentine stickers. And the Supreme Red box logo. Do some close-ups too. Alright, so here's the MLB New Era hat. This is the bag it came in with the tag. You see SS20. Color is navy. Size is 7 3/8. Here's the hat. Well, bang. You can see mainly embroidered box logo in navy and text in white, a little shiny. And here you can see all over the cap embroidered logos everywhere. Each one of these are embroidered. It's all the different MLB teams in the USA: LA, San Francisco Giants, New York Yankees, Philly. Here's the left side of the hat, as you can see, going from the top. Back of the hat, best one right here. You already know, Houston Astros. Yep. The top of the hat. This is the left side of the hat. Let me know what team you repping. But pretty sick hat. Really enjoy it. It's back. And here is the bottom of the bill. You can see they put the New Era sticker at the bottom, 5950, New Era, size 7/3/8. Here's another tag. Same one that's on the bag. Inside of the cap, you can see here has embroidered tags stitched. Genuine merchandise made exclusively for Supreme. Has a little box logo, which is pretty nice. New Era tag, 100% wool, size 7/3/8. And this tag just for legit purposes. New Era LA, or New Era Capco, Shenzhen, I guess China, October 2019. You can stop the video if you want, just to do more legit checks. Here you go. Pretty sweet hat. Box logo too. Love it. Here's how the hat looks like on my head. Size 7/3/8. Supreme box logo on top. Here's the back of it. And here it is for backwards. Yep. H-Town. Where the Astros at? Right there, you know, original. Yes, sir. Here it is, y'all. My whole loot from the drop. Got 4 boxes of Heller mugs, 3 reds and 1 clear. Also got this MLB New Era hat. It's pretty dope. I'm really liking it. Dope. Here it is. Alright, y'all, that's all I had for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked what you saw, definitely smash that like button. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment of what you thought about the drop, if you bought anything from the drop, if you took an L, how your experience was, you know, just general things. If you liked the drop, what you thought of it, you know what to do. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll be uploading more Supreme footage, any sneaker pickups that I had recently. And you know, there's not much to do during this quarantine time, so I thought it was a good idea to upload all these videos onto my channel. Trying to become more active on the channel, and I'm seeing my sub count grow, so I reached over 300 subscribers. It's a cool feeling, so let's see if I can get over to 500 subscribers. Alright YouTube, thanks for watching the video. Baskev here. Also, check out the Instagram in the link below and give a follow, give me a shout out, DM me if you like the content. And I'll check out the next video. Baskev here. I'm out. Take it easy.